All right, how you doing, everybody? So, a really good trade in today's video. We are going to break it down, shorting APE today, just after noon o'clock. But really big, exciting announcement. You guys know the scanner I use. I'm partnered up with them. Well, they are just released ISW Intensity Stockwatch version 3.0. The brand new version of the scanner is now live for everybody. So if you're interested in that, it's got tons of new features, tons of new updates, tons of great stuff. I'll be making a long explanation video about that coming up in the future, but you can use the link down below and code GDTISW for 20 to 30% off every single month. Plus, for anybody who signs up for any of the packages, no matter which level, you will automatically get 2 weeks free in the live trading room with me and the rest of the team ISW guys. So really cool feature there that is out now for the release of ISW 3.0. Let me know if you guys sign up down in the comments below. Let's trade Ape.
Hey guys, are you tired of using the same old stock market scanner and getting the same old results? Add some intensity to your trading with the Intensity Stockwatch Scanner. The intensity indicator is the only predictive price action indicator that alerts before significant reversals, allowing trade management with unprecedented timing and accuracy. Now with this exclusive link and code GDTISW, you can get 20 to 30% off every month on your subscription. It's time to finally get the results you've been looking for and intensify your trading with the Intensity Stockwatch Scanner.
Okay, so Ape started hitting on the scanner, moved up towards 2. I wanted it above 2 on that initial push, and then it came all the way down to 180. I was like, oh man, I probably missed this one. It was a really good move, but starts making a secondary push here up through 2. Oh, I put my order out for 400 shares there at 205. Didn't get a fill there on the initial push, but then I do get the fill on the push back up. Look at it alerting on the scanner to my right here. Huge numbers hitting into the 60s, hitting into the 70s. So I'm short here 400 shares on Ape, and I'm going to look to add in another 400 shares if it can get up towards 215. So looking for 215 here for another 400 shares. It gets 211 there, and it doesn't really get higher. So I'm like, I don't know. Is it going to get me in? I'm really hoping that it's going to be able to get me in for additional shares because I think this has the potential to make the same kind of violent down move that it did both up and down 2 minutes prior. That's kind of, what this kind of stock is. So I'm watching it here. It's coming back down under 2, but I want to see a nice move under 2 before I start thinking about covering out any of my shares here. So just kind of watching and waiting, seeing what Ape is going to do. Is it going to keep climbing the tree, or is it going to lose its grip and fall down to the ground? Well, it starts pushing up a little bit again. I'm like, come on, get up towards 215 so I can get in another 400 shares. I have 800 shares at 210. I'd be really, really pumped about that if I could get that, but it doesn't quite push up again. Now it starts coming under 2. Can we push down through and under 2 here? So just kind of waiting and watching and seeing what's going to happen. It is starting to come back down towards 2, waiting to see if we can break down that buyer wall at 2 of the people thinking they're buying the dip right here. So we are under 2. Now waiting to see if we can get that nice violent move here under 2. Waiting to see if it can make that quick rip towards the downside is what I'm looking for here before I cover anything out. I'm ready. Oh, there it is. Look at that move. Down towards 190. I hit my hot button for cover 50%. I'm out half my position there. So I'm down to 200 shares left short here now. But I think this thing still has definitely opportunity to go lower. So I'm just going to keep my clicker on the 50% cover button. And if we start making more moves to the downside, I'll start covering out piece by piece as this thing continues on down. So looking for a nice move here now under 190 on Ape, seeing if it can get me a bit more money here on this trade. Here comes 190. It's under 190. There's 185. I take half off right there. It's still coming. It's down in the 170s now. I take off another half right there. So all of a sudden, I'm all the way down to 50 shares left and just waiting to see if maybe this thing even wants to drop the lows that it recently made here. So, and watch this move. Holy, I take it right there in the high 160s, but this thing comes all the way down into the 150s and almost halts here at 154. Oh my goodness, what a move off of this alert on Ape from the scanner. So if you guys haven't signed up yet, ISW 3.0 is live now. You can get alerts just like this one that tells you when there's a high probability of a reversal. But like I said, I will be making a video coming up soon about all the great features. But happy there in Ape to make 77 on just 400 shares of a $2 stock. So that's going to do it for me today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed the trade in Ape. Haven't had one that looks that pretty chart-wise in a while. Unfortunate I couldn't get a little bit more share size in there. Didn't want to go quite enough for me to do that. But I'll take it and move on. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe. I'll see you later.